Best wall furnaces. We have examined 25 different wall furnaces and I think CTS70DP2NS1 is an excellent choice for most kitchens. Its sleek design should look good in a variety of decorations. And it costs a lot less than most other ovens with an element of the same elegant. It is also intuitive to use and with convenient features, such as a glide-out carrier and an assisted cooking mode. And it is done by a company that has an excellent reputation for ovens. GE Appliances. You will get the best wall furnaces of this site. Best wall furnaces you can check out below. Our first product is this beautiful wall clock. Features a bright frame that can decorate any room. This wall clock is perfect for office, living room, classroom, bedroom, bathroom. Wall clock with large numbers are clear to read and front glass cover guarantees perfect view. Wall clocks large. Wall clocks small. Wall clocks silver. Wall clocks living room. Wall clocks for office. Wall clocks modern. Wall clocks bedrooms. Wall clocks stickers. Wall clocks square. Wall clocks skeleton. Wall clocks children's. Wall clocks red. Our second product is about this item: 6 fuel cans made of tin plate, 0.25 liter, 7.5 centimeters diameter, 7.5 cm height, 0.1 flame killer, made of stainless steel. Can be used with both combustion gel and with organic ethanol. Our third product is about this item: a variety of programming modes can be divided into 5+1+1, 5+2 and 7-day independent programming modes, or programming functions can be abolished weekly. For elderly people and children, they can be programmed in 4 or 6 days. Dual temperature display. Real-time and setting temperature display adopts high-performance CPU, steady and reliable quality. Our fourth product is about this item: fast heat up. 500W plug-in heating element provides warmth within small spaces. LED display. Adjust the 1 to 12 hour timer to choose a suitable duration. Simple operation. Adjust the temperature between 15 to 30 degrees at the press of a button. Our fifth product is: if you like the same series of posters, please enter our store to search for related keywords. We produce posters that differ from paper posters. Posters are more beautiful and reliable in quality. To guarantee quality, we produce immediately after your order. We make more beautiful canvas posters to decorate your room decoration. Very modern, very eye-catching, ideal for all modern graphic designs. Your wall room gets very special lightness and beauty.